How to connect Stripe to Wix. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to log into your Wix account. To do that, go to any web browser, type Wix, and then log into your account. Now, in order for you to connect your Stripe payment method to your Wix, what you want to do is simply scroll down here and look for settings. Tap this one. Now, under settings, you will see here different options, but you just have to locate accept payments, which is this one here. And then you will see different types of methods under accept payments. What you want to do is to click this one to see more options. So scroll down to see more payment options. If you can't see the stripe here, then you have to scroll down and again tap this part right here to see more payment providers. And this is where you can see Stripe. So in order for you to connect your Stripe through Wix, you just have to go to connect, tap this connect button here, and then it will take you directly to this a bit information on how to connect your Stripe to your Wix. Okay, so choose any payment methods available with Stripe and then click connect. And what you want to do here is to simply enter some information that are needed in order for you to connect your Stripe to your Wix. So this is just basic information. Once done, click continue. And there you will see that your Stripe has been linked to your Wix. So that's how easy it is to connect Stripe to Wix. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.